Hello, welcome back. It's another HGV fuckwits type of thing. Anyway, we'll start off with this Audi driver who thinks he's going to get off at this next junction, but he's so impatient, he just can't wait. So as I go here, that this wagon has got other ideas because he wants to come out and overtake. So Audi boy here slams his brakes on and away he goes. I don't know why he does this though, because look at this. Oh, last second. Boom! Have that, wagon drivers. Look how clever I am. Yeah, of course you are, pal. Tosser. Absolute idiot. Oh, shit! What the hell was that? I don't think even the driver of that Range Rover knew what the hell was going on there. Anyway, seriously, what would you do it for? Why? I'll just try and get in front of this massive truck. Same stretch of motorway, I think, probably, maybe. Who knows? They all blend in, don't they, when you drive on them every day. Oh, here comes Johnny White Van Man. And I've included this clip because he just gets so close to that little pickup in front. Why would you do it? And then his mate here in the red i10, he wants a portion of getting close and all, but he's not very good at getting close, is he? Because keeps touching the brakes. So that again, you know, one of them puts the brakes on. They're all right into the insurance companies, aren't they? Yes, M62 into the Roadworks here, approaching the 606, if you know it. So Scaffolding Driver, absolutely spot on. I've left loads of space there. I knew we were coming up. And this guy here, this is a dedicated going off lane on the 606, but no, I'm not going to do it. And oh look, I'll show you my big fat arm, just to show you how big and strong I am. What an arse, honestly. Coppers saying I think that's 3 points and £100 fine going across those chevrons. Anyway, you know, Darwinism and all that, eventually he'll get banned. More traffic. Mind you, all the funny things happen in traffic. I'm in my Porsche, do you not know who I am? No, get over, move, I'm coming over. Yes, you in the motorhome. Bugger off. No! Oh, he's not letting me out. Bastard! I'm going to have him. You in the Mini. Yes, you. Yes, move. I'm far more superior than you, and I am more important, because I'm in my Porsche. And off he goes. Good. 10 yard in front. Well done, pal. Happy days. Here's a driver who does know how to merge properly and safely. However, he appears to have forgotten where the indicator stick is. Not a big deal, I know, but, you know, bit of commentary in it. So here we are, again on the M62, I believe. You see that on the opposite carriageway there is some kind of crash. I don't know what's happened, but we seem to have a lane shut here. Our lane 3's closed and I can't see why. Until we get a little bit further up and oh my goodness, I bet that were a moment. Hello, is that Primark? Yes, do you deliver to the M62? We need 52 pairs of fresh pants, please. If you would, thank you so much. Same day. So here we are, I don't know where we are here, near Preston, I think, coming off for Preston here. Mercedes, not too much of a problem. Pulls in front of me, but no, look at this guy here. I'm coming in. Fuck you. And the other car driver said, fucking hell, not in front of me, pal. You are not, cheeky bastard. Get behind me. Well, alright, well I will then. Well I will, yeah, but I'm off. Again, rude, annoys people. Absolutely just sets the mood, doesn't it? Doesn't bother me, I don't care. But you can tell people get really upset, don't you? And this is where road rage comes from, isn't it? Just poor planning, inconsiderate, and just being bloody rude. Stop it! Don't do it, people. Life's too bloody short. Nice and empty motorway here. I'm thinking he's going to come off in front of me, but no! He is, absolutely. Another 3 points and £100 fine. What a knobhead. Here we have a Johnny Foreigner in his European truck. Obviously, if you know this road, that is the Humber Bridge in front of us, and we are heading towards the port of Hull, where no doubt this chap is going to catch a boat. But here's one of his compadres here. I'm going a little bit faster. He's going for it. He really wants it. But truck number one, he's going, no, you're fucking not getting in front of me, you fucking crazy man. Get fucking have that. He sideswipe you. But he didn't have it. He didn't have it. He just went for it. What a dude. Balls of steel. Knackers of iron, that guy. Anyway, I'm sure they'll both get the boat, and everything will be alright. There wasn't any need for it. So it's not always car drivers, is it, that are arseholes? Sometimes it's wagon drivers. And here's another one. Not Mr. Hannon. He's spot on. We're in the Roadworks again. So what are we not allowed to do in the UK, in HGVs, or anything with a trailer, is go in lane 3, or the far right lane. Anyway, it's not allowed. It's against the law. But this guy in the old Scania, he don't give a monkeys, does he? Just intimidate everybody. I'm coming through. Get out of my bloody way. Move. I'm late, and I can't be arsed waiting. So I can't. Honestly, that's unforgivable. That. But, we'll just see what happens a little bit further up the road, because we're just under 50 mile an hour. He obviously doesn't want to wait, does he? Or she. I didn't see the driver, and political correctness, I don't want to misgender anybody and upset the fucking apple cart. I don't know how many genders there are. I could go through them all, but I'd probably get to end at video before I'd gone through them all, wouldn't I? So let's assume... No, let's not. We won't assume. Let's just assume that it's a dickhead human driving the wagon. This white one here. So, yeah, as is the case in traffic, the lane 1, which is the one I'm in, is going a little bit faster. And everybody just accepts that that's the case. It's okay. But you can see here from the shadow, coming from X. Beep, beep, motherfuckers! Here I come, I'm coming through, and you're not going to get in my way. Just don't give a fuck. Maniac. Honestly, gives decent wagon drivers a bad name, and this is why people think wagon drivers are assholes. Most of them aren't professional drivers. Well, or they are professional drivers, not wankers, is what I'm saying. That was a bit tight, wasn't it? That were a little bit close by our friend FDC there. I think he put the willies up there, up that van driver. Fortunately, he was switched on, wasn't he? He was. So, no death. Here we have an agricultural tractor in lane 1. This is the A1 coming down, I think, towards Peterborough. The wagon's seen the tractor, so he's coming out. He's asked by putting his indicator on, and the Tesla driver has very kindly backed off to let him in. So we get down the road here, and the tractor driver's got a pretty good view straight down there. He's got an elevated position in his tractor, and you can see that the traffic's backing up onto the A1 from the slip road. He's asking to come out, but Tesla didn't want to let him. So basically, nobody got any glory there, and it nearly ended in tears, to be fair with you. Tractor driver, Tesla driver, 50-50 for that, Again, a lack of planning. Where are we now? Possibly on the 62 again. And, Silver Van Man, yeah, he wants to come out. He's coming out regardless. Yes, he is. Boom! That is, I know it doesn't look very close, but it is. Oh, and he's there again. The other van, I'm slightly bigger than you, so you're not coming out in front of me. Oh dear. Oh, this guy is the most impatient driver of this video, I would say. Just look at that there. He's gone past that. He's coming in front of me pretty closely. So he's had a little flash of the lights, but he doesn't give a toss, does he? He's popped into lane 2, and oh no, because lane 3's going faster even. So look, oh, straight in front of him. I know there's no sound on these videos because I have my microphone turned off, but that did attract a massive amount of hooting off of that car. And he's back into lane 3 and off. Cheers, thanks for that. You've got a whole 2 cars in front, well done, fucking hero. And lastly, it's, oh dear, the Range Rover here, I don't know whether you can see, but if you look in front, yeah, it's wrong-sided the bollards, overtaking these cars. He's totally discombobulated that poor cyclist there. I don't really particularly like cyclists on the road, but you know, that could have been an absolute fatal, couldn't it? Anyhow, here's just to end the video. Here's something nice and calm. Here's something you don't see very often. It's the M6 from Charnock Richards service station northbound, just around the Preston area. I think it's just south of Preston. And look at that. What's special about this scenario here? Yeah, no traffic. There's not a single vehicle on the road. That's because sadly there was a collision on the southbound carriageway just before Charnock Richards and the police and the authorities have closed both carriageways, obviously. I'm presuming to get an air ambulance onto the northbound carriageway, but as I travelled up, that was a mess. I hope you've enjoyed that, folks. If you have, leave me some messages. If you haven't, leave me some messages, or don't, one or the other. Anywho, I like making this, just a bit of a hobby really. So people do so many silly things in front of me as I'm driving about in the HGV. You know, I just thought I'd share it anyway. Bit of light-hearted silliness. For those who enjoy light-hearted silliness, I've been Niels on Wheels, and you've been watching Absolute Rubbish. Thanks again.